Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to make crunchy chicken strips in the air fryer and a honey mustard dip to serve with it. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we place 150 grams or 5 ounces of cornflakes into a bag, and we're going to crush those finely just until they're into small pieces. Now we've got that done, we're going to place the cornflakes into a dish. And then we're going to add 50 grams or 2 ounces of plain flour into another dish, 2 eggs cracked into the middle dish, along with 2 tablespoonfuls of milk, and then we're going to whisk those together just until it forms an egg mixture. Now we'll put those together. We'll bring in a tray just for the air fryer. Now I've taken 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast fillets and I've just cut them into strips. Now we're going to dip each strip into the flour, then into the egg mixture, and then into the cornflakes. You just make sure the whole chicken strip is well covered with the egg and the flour. This will help it stick to the cornflakes. And again, make sure the chicken is well covered in the cornflakes for when you're cooking it. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell for notifications. It does mean that I can make more videos for you. So now that all of our chicken strips have been coated in the flour, the egg and the cornflake mixture, we're just going to set them onto a tray, and then we're going to spray them with some low calorie cooking oil, then over to the air fryer and into it at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes, just until the chicken's fully cooked. Now while the chicken's cooking, I'm going to make a dip for it. So we take 2 tablespoonfuls of full fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoonful of mayonnaise, 1 heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of runny honey, season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll mix it well and then we'll just set that to the side. So now our chicken's cooked, it's time to serve. I just like to serve mine in the middle of the table on a plate with the dip so that everybody can help themselves. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.